Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Dr. S.L.S. Lakshmi College of Arts and Science. I would like to explain my article. My article title is How do commercial banks help in processing payments? So commercial banks play an important role in the development of this payment ecosystem. In this article, we will look at the various roles played by a commercial banks which enables them to make timely payments. The first one is the help in automatic payments. Automation is the buzzword when it comes to payment in the corporate banking. Over the years, several ERP systems have been created which can achieve almost complete automation from the side of the ecosystem. Corporation need a banking partner which has equally technologically advanced system so that can be achieved straight through processing, completely automated payments processing without any manual inputs. Commercial banking can assist the corporation by providing the following several back to the corporation. ERP connectivity, enterprise resource planning connectivity. The first and foremost, corporation need commercial banking to have well developed system which can read and process automated files that are sent to them. Commercial banks are required to develop interfaces that can read the file output provided by a corporation and then automatically process payments based on that file. Data encryption, the corporation do want to automate the payment processing. However, the scenes involving giving access to the bank accounts, corporations are traditionally and recording automation in the space. However, the overtime banks has developed data encryption technologies that can be ensure transmission of payment information with the minimal possibility of any kind of hacking and misappropriation of funds, and developing using technology that can be securely transmit information is the one of the main function of the commercial banking. So communicating status back to corporation, that means once the payment has been processed by the bank, it is the ensure that the status will be communicated back to the corporation. This will be because certain payment will go through, some of the payments will fail, so as well as sometimes bank may be duplicate payments. All this needs put in the file communicated back to the corporation. Next we go for second one, the managing international payments. A lot of corporations that contact managing with banks or multinational corporations, even them smaller corporations, are engaged in foreign trade to a large extent. There is a need to make international payments as the regular part of the business. The service provided by a commercial bank are very important in such cases. That this is the because of fact international payments and can be very expensive because of the transaction charges also involved. So the third one, generation of payment advice. The commercial banks also help to create a communication channel between corporation it pays. This is because one of the process of the payment, this also create a mechanism by which they send mail or paper advice to the respective pays, and the advice contain the detail about the amount remainder, the bank account that were remainder to the payment method used for, as well as the invoice reference. As the result, the pay is aware of exactly which payment that receiving. So next one is the industrial specific payment solution. They are mainly industrial specific payment problems that are faced by corporations. For instance, companies operating in retail space have very different payment need from companies operating in the manufacturing space also. I need to understand the special needs, then provide payment solution that can be help resolve the needs. So thank you for this giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.